welcome to our channel. Today, we're showcasing 50 impressive heavy machinery operating at peak efficiency. These machines are marvels of modern engineering, designed to handle the toughest tasks with precision and power. Let's dive into the world of heavy machinery and witness their incredible capabilities. With excavators, essential for construction and mining. Caterpillar 390F, known for its powerful performance and reliability, ideal for heavy-duty tasks. Komatsu PC800011, a giant in the excavation world, moving massive amounts of earth with efficiency. Volvo EC950E, combines strength with advanced technology, ensuring optimal fuel consumption. Hitachi X1200-7 offers superior digging capabilities, perfect for demanding job sites. Liebherr R9800, one of the largest hydraulic excavators, designed for challenging mining operations. Bulldozers are key players in earth-moving and construction. Caterpillar D11, renowned for its incredible pushing power and advanced features. Komatsu D475A8, a robust machine capable of handling the toughest terrains. John Deere 1050K offers exceptional control and power, making it a favorite in the industry. Liebherr PR776 combines efficiency with cutting-edge technology for maximum productivity. Shantui SD52-5, known for its strength and reliability in large-scale projects. Cranes dominate construction sites with their remarkable lifting capabilities. Liebherr LTM 11200-9.1, a marvel of engineering with incredible lifting power and reach. Terex Demag CC88001, known for its strength and versatility in heavy lifting. Manitowoc MLC 650, features the innovative VPC system for enhanced stability. Zoomlion ZCC 2600, ideal for precision work in constructing tall structures. Sany SCC 4000A, known for its robust construction and impressive lifting capacity. Loaders are indispensable for moving materials efficiently. Caterpillar 988K, designed for heavy-duty loading with excellent fuel efficiency. Komatsu WA 800-8, built for tough jobs, combining durability with high performance. Volvo L220H, known for its reliability and advanced technology in demanding environments. John Deere 844K, offers superior handling and efficiency in material loading. Liebherr L586 XPower, balances power and low fuel consumption, ideal for various tasks. Trucks are the giants of mining, transporting enormous loads with ease. Caterpillar 797F, an industry legend, known for its robust design and large load capacity. Komatsu 980E4, renowned for its durability and efficiency in harsh mining conditions. Liebherr T284, combines power and advanced technology for exceptional performance. The LAZ 75710, the world's largest haul truck, capable of carrying unparalleled loads. Hitachi EH5000AC3. Offers high efficiency and reliability in challenging environments. Manufacturing robots are revolutionizing production lines with precision and efficiency. ABI-RB 6700, a versatile robot designed for high payloads and precision operations. FANUC M2000EA, known for its powerful lifting capacity and flexibility in manufacturing. KUKA KR1000 Titan, one of the strongest robots, capable of handling demanding tasks with precision. Yaskawa Motoman MH24, offers high speed and accuracy in various processes. Universal Robots R10E, a collaborative robot enhancing efficiency and flexibility. CNC machines are at the heart of modern manufacturing, providing unmatched precision. VF650 is a versatile machining center known for its performance and reliability. Mazik Integrex i400 combines multiple machining processes for enhanced efficiency. DMG Mori DMU50 offers unparalleled precision and flexibility in machining tasks. Akuma Genos M560V, known for its robust construction and high accuracy. Hermel C42U, a high-performance CNC machine for complex parts and precision. 3D printing technology is transforming manufacturing, and these printers lead the way. Stratasys F900, known for its large build volume and precision in creating complex parts. EOS M400, a powerful metal 3D printer producing intricate components with high accuracy. Multi-Jet Fusion 5210 offers fast and reliable production of high-quality 3D printed parts. 3D Systems Pro X950, ideal for large-scale industrial 3D printing with excellent detail. Markforged X7 combines strength with precision, perfect for creating durable parts. Assembly lines rely on advanced machines for efficient production. Bosch APAS enhances productivity and safety in assembly tasks. Yaskawa Motoman Assembly Robots, designed for precise and rapid assembly. Universal Robots R10E, a collaborative robot improving efficiency and flexibility. Kawasaki RS007N, known for its speed and accuracy in assembly tasks. AbFlex Picker IRB 360, ideal for high-speed picking and placing tasks. Press machines are crucial in metalworking, providing the force needed for shaping and cutting parts. Komatsu H1F1100, a high-speed servo press known for its precision and power. Schuler MML, a massive mechanical press used for large-scale metalworking projects. IDA DSFN2 4000, a servo press offering high efficiency and accuracy. Nidec Minster P2H, known for its robust construction and high performance. Bliss C60, a reliable press machine for various metalworking applications. These 50 impressive heavy machinery pieces operating at peak efficiency demonstrate the incredible advancements in modern engineering and technology. If you enjoyed this video, please like, share, and subscribe to our channel for more amazing content. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.